Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to switch accounts on REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my REDnote interface. Now to switch account, on the bottom right you can see here's me, me. Just tap on this and over here you'll find your profile. Now to switch to next account, just tap on this gear icon on the middle of your profile. And over here, scroll up and over here you can find History's account. Just tap on this and over here you can just select the account on which you want to switch to. Now I'll tap on this next account of mine and you can see I have switched to Emma. That means I have successfully switched from one account to the next on REDnote app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.